In this video, we're talking about aggravated robbery. In different videos, I explain the definitions surrounding these different robbery charges, and I also have a video on robbery itself, not aggravated robbery. It's important you watch those so you can better understand how aggravated robbery works. The way that it functions under the statute, it's basically taking all of the elements of regular robbery and adding some additional conditions to it. So it turns it from a regular robbery charge into an aggravated robbery charge. If you want to know more about the statute, you're going to go to the Arizona Revised Statutes 13-1903. That's going to have all of this in black and white, but really this is the nuts and bolts of how it works. You take regular robbery, which consists of these 5 elements: taking property from a person, using a threat of force with the intent to coerce the person to give over that property or to prevent them from fighting back against giving that property. Those are the main elements of robbery. There's a lot more to it. I have a whole video on it. But what you're doing is you're taking all of those different elements and you're adding on this final element. This is what aggravates it. Aggravating meaning it makes it worse. So if you are doing any of these things and you are aided by one or more accomplices who were actually present, so these people need to have been there during the course of this activity, then that's going to aggravate it. So if it's 2 people or 5 people and they're all actually there during the course of the robbery, it's going to turn it from a regular robbery into an aggravated robbery. And it makes it considerably more severe in terms of classifications in Arizona. So let's take a look at what those are. Regular robbery under Arizona law is a class 4 felony. So as a reminder, Arizona has 6 classifications of felony. Class 1 is the most serious. It's really only for murder type crimes. Then you have 2 through 6. 6 is the least serious felony, least amount of prison time, least penalties. Class 4 is kind of right in the middle there, between a 6 and a 2. Class 4 is right there in the middle. If it becomes a regular robbery and it becomes aggravated because we're adding on this additional element, there's other people who are involved in it, it bumps it up. Aggravated robbery is then a class 3 felony. So it takes it from a class 4 into a class 3. If you look at the sentencing chart if you Google Arizona sentencing charts, you'll see here that the penalty is it's considerably worse to go from a class 4 to a class 3, just due to the fact that somebody else was there. So if you've been charged with aggravated robbery, you certainly do not want to be convicted of a class 3 felony. It's a big problem. Make sure that you are taking your time and making a good decision when it comes to legal representation, because this is a very serious case. Give our office a call. We offer free case evaluations. We've got a no pressure system here. Come on in. We'll sit down with you. We'll review the facts of your case, make sure you understand how all of this works as it relates to your specific situation, and more importantly, make sure you have a good plan to move forward with your case. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks for watching.